Last week, an 81-year-old grandmother tried to cancel a $790 Amazon order she never placed. She thought she was protecting her money. She called the number in the email. 40 minutes later, her entire bank account was empty. She didn't buy anything. She didn't share her card intentionally. She simply asked for a refund. And that's exactly how this Amazon refund scam works. Hello, I am Edward Smith. I am a cybersecurity expert, and today I need to warn you about one of the fastest growing scams targeting seniors in America right now, the Amazon refund or order problem scam. This scam is extremely dangerous because it doesn't start with fear. It starts with confusion. You receive an email. It says, your Amazon order has been placed successfully. Order amount, $799.999. Item, Apple MacBook shipping. Tomorrow. You look at the screen and think, I didn't order this. Who used my account? Is my credit card charged? Did someone hack me? You panic. And that's the moment scammers are waiting for. At the bottom of the email, there's a line. If you did not place this order, call customer support immediately. There's a phone number. It looks official. It looks professional. You call. The person answers calmly. Thank you for calling Amazon Fraud Department. How may I help you? You feel relieved. You think, good, they will cancel it. You say, I didn't order this laptop. They reply, yes, sir, we see suspicious activity. They sound helpful, friendly, professional. They say, we will cancel the order immediately. We just need to verify your account. And that's where the trap begins. If you have ever received an email about an Amazon order you didn't place, type order in the comments right now. Just order. This helps others realize how common this is. Now the scammer continues. They say, to process refund, we need to connect you with secure server. This sounds technical. It sounds official. It sounds safe. Then they ask you to install something. They say, please download a secure support tool. This allows us to process refunds safely. They guide you step by step. You install it. What you don't realize, you just gave them remote access to your computer. They can now see everything. Your emails, your bank account, your PayPal, your passwords, everything. They then say, we are initiating refund of $790. Please check your bank account. You open your bank and suddenly you see $7,990 credited. You panic again. You say, this is too much. They reply, oh no, our system made an error. This is fake. They didn't send money. They edited your screen using remote access, but you think money came. They say, please send back the extra amount. Otherwise, we will lose our job. They create emotional pressure. You trust them. You send money back, wire transfer, gift cards, bank transfer, and that's how they steal thousands. If this sounds scary, type safe in the comments. Just safe. This reminds you to stay alert. Now let me show you another version. Instead of email, you receive a call. Phone rings. Hello, this is Amazon. Your account was used to purchase an iPhone. You say, I didn't order anything. They say, we blocked the transaction, but your account may be compromised. They make you worried. Then they say, we will help you secure your account. Please confirm your details. They ask name, address, email, card number, verification code. You think you're securing your account, but you're actually giving them access. Another version, extremely common. You receive an email. Your Amazon Prime subscription renewed for $149. You think, I don't remember renewing this. You call the number. They say, yes, your Prime renewed. We can cancel and refund. Then they ask to install software again. Same trick, same result, money gone. If you use Amazon or online shopping, type Amazon in the comments, just Amazon. This helps me know who needs to be careful. Let me tell you a real situation. A retired veteran received email saying, Amazon order confirmed, $499 smart TV. He didn't order it. He called the number. They told him, your account hacked from Texas. We must secure your computer. They asked him to install software. He did. They showed him fake refund. He sent back extra money. He lost $12,000. He said something very important. I thought they were helping me cancel the order. That's exactly how this scam works. They don't threaten you. They don't scare you immediately. They pretend to help you. And that builds trust. Another trick, they send email saying, your order shipped. Delivery tomorrow. You panic. You don't want wrong delivery. You call. Same trap. Or they say, your refund failed. Contact support. You call. Same trap. Or they say, your account charged twice. Call to fix. You call. Same trap. Right now, type no call in the comments. Just no call. This reminds you, never call numbers in emails. Here's the most important rule. Never call phone numbers from emails. Instead, open Amazon website manually. Log in, check orders. If you don't see order, it's fake. That simple step can save thousands. Another dangerous version, they send text message. Amazon, your order placed. Reply stop to cancel. You reply, they call you. Same scam. They guide you. They gain trust. They steal money. Another version targets seniors specifically. They say, your account used to buy gift cards. Fraud detected. Seniors panic more with fraud messages. They call. Scammer says, we will reverse transaction. Stay on phone. They keep you busy, then manipulate. Some scammers even ask you to withdraw cash. They say, your bank compromised. Withdraw money and keep safe. Then they guide you to deposit into another account. This is 100% scam. If you understand this, type scam in comments. Just scam. Now let me give you the golden rules. Amazon will never ask you to install software. Amazon will never ask for remote access. Amazon will never ask you to send money back. Amazon will never ask for gift cards. Never. If anyone does, it's a scam. Another warning sign. They create urgency. Order shipping now. Refund expires. Account compromised. They want you to act fast, but slowing down protects you. Take 30 seconds. Open Amazon manually. Check orders. You'll see truth immediately. Many seniors tell me, I didn't want to lose money. I was trying to cancel. I thought they were customer service. This scam targets careful people. That's why it's dangerous. Right now, type check first in the comments. Just check first. This reminds you to verify before calling. Another tip, look at email sender. It might say Amazon support eggmail.com, Amazon refund outlook.com, orders Amazon randommail.com. These are fake. Real emails look different. But scammers rely on you not checking. They rely on panic, slow down, and they fail. Another important point, never allow anyone to control your computer. If someone asks, download this tool, install this app, allow remote support, stop immediately. That's a scam. Once they control your screen, they control your money. If you agree, type no remote in comments. Just no remote. I want you to remember this sentence. No real company needs control of your computer to issue refund. Only scammers do that. This scam is growing rapidly. Thousands of seniors are losing money. But now, you know the trick. Remember, never call numbers from emails, never install unknown software, never send refund money back. Always check Amazon manually. These 4 rules can protect you. If this video helped you understand the scam, type protected in the comments. Just protected, because now you know. Now you're alert. Now you're not an easy target. I am Edward Smith, a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to my channel because I find out such scams and help you understand how such scams are done and how you can be safe. Share this video with your loved ones and friends so that they do not fall in the traps of such scams. Watch other scam at the end screen video. It is also very important for you to watch. Stay alert, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next warning.